focus is on one of the most controversial food in the world, and that is the jollof rice. I love jollof rice. If you've never heard of jollof rice before, I'll tell you what it is. So jollof rice is a beloved West African dish and is renowned for the tomatoes based and rice. So these are the main ingredients you use when preparing jollof rice. And so there's been battle of which country has the best jollof rice. That's caused controversies, arguments, you name it. So let's talk about where jollof rice came from. So the origin of jollof rice can be traced to the Senegambian region. So previously there's a region known where Wolof people existed, and they believed to have first prepared this rice, which is similar to the modern jollof rice. It is thought that this dish spread through West Africa due to trade and migration. So during post-independence of various African countries, jollof rice became a symbol of national pride, and somehow it has unified us as a continent. But then again, there's also controversy due to this rice. So it's common to find jollof rice at celebration, as party and festive region. So as jollof rice spread through West Africa, it underwent various regional adaptation from countries like Nigeria, from Ghana, from Sierra Leone, and just name whatever West African country you're thinking of. So each of these countries, they add their own unique ingredients and flavor. So you see the variation in the way Nigeria prepare their own. Although the common ingredients is the rice and the tomatoes, but then the spices that is used among these countries is different. From Nigeria, we have we add more ingredients in terms of spices. Ghana has their own variation. Some countries had fried plantain, just you name it. So what is the cultural significance of jollof rice? So jollof rice is celebrated for its rich, savory flavor and vibrant color. So there's no party like most parties in West Africa. We find jollof rice as a major staples at weddings, at parties and national events, and it has even gained international recognition, because of the battle of who makes the best jollof rice. A lot of people across the world want to try jollof rice, and so this has led to global adaptation, making it a symbol of West African cuisine around the world. So I want to hear from you. Which country do you think makes the best jollof rice? And are you gonna try jollof rice if you haven't tried it before? So let me know your thoughts. Leave them in the comment box.